swear to tell you, like, me and my buddies, like, an elephant and a couple dogs, hippopotamus, whatever you want to call them. Anyway, so we were walking, and, like, this armadillo stood right in front of me and started coughing. And I was like, I was like, what the frick? I've never seen a coughing armadillo in my life. I mean, like, what the heck? So, like, I was standing there, and I was, like, started laughing, and then all of a sudden, I started pooping on me. I was like, what the frick? And then I started standing there, I was like, what are you doing, little armadillo? And then my friend called behind me, and she's just like, girlfriend, you need to step back. And I was like, yeah, so, see you later.